Con mi Familia is an online Spanish course and curriculum for families and their children ages 2 through 6. This course is screen optional and gives you an amazing user-friendly experience online while also providing full PDF printable curriculum options in each course. Our printable materials also have handy QR codes that you can scan to access our course videos, audio recordings, and playlists. With play at the heart of all we do, Con mi Familia gives you thematic lessons that are full of hands-on activities, Spanish songs, nature play ideas, stories, music playlists, and so much more. Con mi Familia gives you lifetime access to all of our materials, which lets this course grow with your family. All of our lessons are designed with a multi-age family in mind and provide detailed instructions and teaching guides to help meet the ages of your children. This course is made for beginners and bilinguals alike, whether you are a new Spanish speaker and can't wait to learn alongside your children, or you are already a bilingual family and you just need help getting started, Con mi Familia is for you. When you purchase a course, you get instant access to 2 lessons from that series. Then, each week after that, a new lesson will unlock and give you access to new content. This course is about meeting your children where they are at and bringing Spanish into activities they already love to do. If you truly want to create a bilingual home, one that has Spanish woven into every part of your day, this course is for you.